Do you want to be able to automate phone calls when you create a row from Google Sheets? Let me show you how to do that automatically using Zapier. To do this task, I want to create a Zap. In Zapier, a Zap is a simple way to connect different apps and make them work together automatically. With Zapier's no-code app builder, I can create my Zap from scratch, or with Zapier's new AI Copilot, I can just describe what I want. I could say something like, send phone calls in bland AI for new or updated rows in Google Sheets, and it'll build the workflow for me. My Zap will then be created. On the left-hand side, the Copilot will tell me the steps that I need to take to complete my Zap. And if I need to tweak my prompt or troubleshoot anything, I could just type right into the Copilot. It walks me through the process. To start, select your trigger. Our trigger is an event that starts any Zap. In this case, our trigger is Google Sheets. I'll need to log into my account before configuring my steps. To do this, click on the Account tab. The first time we set up Google Sheets, we'll need to connect it with Zapier. If it's your first time logging in, a link will pop up for you to log into your account. And don't worry, Zapier will only perform the actions you tell it to in a given Zap. We'll then need to fill out our trigger app's data. Select the spreadsheet and row you'd like to use for your Zap and then click Continue. In order to finish setting up the trigger, we'll need to pull in some example data. To do that, click Test Trigger. Testing our steps ensures that the data we entered is working. You're all set with the first step. Click Continue with selected record and we can start creating our action. In Zapier, an action is the task that happens automatically after our trigger is set off. Your action event should already be set, so log into your Bland AI account just like you did with your Google account. For Bland AI, you'll need to connect your account via an API key. To do this, go to your Bland AI developer page and click API keys under your organization page. From there, you can copy and paste the key into Zapier and then you can give a name to your connection. Great. Now, we can start to assign our trigger apps data into the action apps fields. Copilot will automatically fill out our configuration step with our spreadsheet data. And if my data isn't there, I can ask the Copilot to fill it out for me. With that, I could select from the drop-down menu or add my own text to customize my Zap even further. Once that's complete, I'll test the step. Great! This is ready to turn on. Now, whenever a spreadsheet row is created in Google Sheets, a phone call will automatically be sent via our Bland AI account. So whether you're managing a sales pipeline, automating a marketing campaign, or building your own custom business app, Zapier makes it easy to build applications without coding. And if you like this workflow, click the link below and Copilot will build this app for you automatically. You can sign up and start for free.